As I live, I am told to reconcile again with the person who hurt me. Still, you are a person. It gets better after time. But not all relationships have to be reconnected. People hurt twice in the same way? There are many cases. So, one of the things you learn as an adult is that you don't have to hold on to all relationships. There are many people who apologize but repeat the same behavior. So some people don't start relationships again even if they receive an apology. Forgiveness and relationships are different stories. So even if you don't hate someone, you won't get close again. The right is ours. What do you think?